So what we started off with was a cup of water, and we're going to throw in 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground thyme, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And we're going to mix this up well, because we're going to put it in with an injector. Get all this dissolved in there. Well, it smells pretty good. It's all pretty dissolved, so it takes care of that. And this is a nice stainless steel injector, and there are 2 needles. You get a large and a small. The large one is when you have larger pieces, like chunks of garlic or seasonings that you're going to put in as whole pieces. But we got a liquid, so we're going to use the smaller injector needle. And we're going to inject this chicken 2 to 3 inches in and all around. So put this in the liquid, and we'll just pull this plunger up to get it up into it. Plunger comes up pretty hard. There you go, you can see I got quite a bit in there. So now we just stick it in here about 2 inches, and we give it a squirt. Give it a squirt. Give it a squirt. So that's 4 on that side. Going in, I can feel it hitting the bone on the inside, and then you can see it puffing out if you look closely. Let's get these legs. All right, so I used up that whole syringe. I'll grab another bunch. There we go. And get this leg. Do the thighs here. Get some more of this. We've got it pretty full right now. We'll take this and put it on top and let the whole thing marinate for a few hours. We're gonna this is probably gonna marinate for probably 4 or 5 hours. We're gonna cook it tonight. There it is. Throw this in the refrigerator. Throw that in the refrigerator, let it marinate. Then we're going to put it on the rotisserie this afternoon. And I like to put my plastic right down on top of it so that it just stays covered and stays moist. This is the method I normally use. Where you hold it right to the spit. That's done. back on the rotisserie motor. There it is. Should take about an hour and a quarter. Just came off the rotisserie. It's delicious looking. First thing we're going to do is going to loosen up these screws. There's that one. The seasoning is very good. Right in the meat. The meat is delicious. It was a success. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoy your chicken. And please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me and also allows you to see my varied content.